What's that, Sweet Pea? We have what?
We have a baby that's on a slippery mountain.
Do we have to rescue her?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
This is a serious job for
What kind of job is it?
me. Daddy, can you under my backpack, please?
You need your rope tied on?
Yeah. If you don't, I'll die.
That would be pretty serious. Then we'd have to rescue you too.
Yeah.
Let's look at the rescue down there.
Where is it? I don't see it.
Where's what?
I have to go up and rescue it.
Here comes the rescuer.
Back up. My baby's in the rescue bucket. Pull. Pull. Brother, he's here.
Here comes the baby.
His big brother is your big sister and he's just your baby. Got it. So you're 4 and you
Yay, good rescue.
love.
Now what?
Look, I've got her big sister. Uh-oh. He's rolled out. No, it's my rescue book. Okay, it's my rescue book. Oh, no. Yeah. No. I'm pulling
Hey
it
guys,
for you.
guys.